Right, alternator's done. Just needs the 2 low voltage wires doing. This is my 3rd radiator hose and it does not fit. So that's really annoying. I wonder whether the thermostat housing is off a different engine. To do some research on that. Bought a fan belt that I haven't fitted yet either. I will do that. That's a bit annoying because I was hoping to get this running today. Never mind. Right, new top hose is on. I had to buy another thermostat housing. Whatever was on there was an early one, I think. So that's why the hoses weren't matching. It does rub on the valve cover, which is not ideal. So I might have to make a spacer if one's not available. I've got my fan connected and I've tested it, so hopefully it won't overheat again. I've put some rad weld in it because the radiator was springing a little leak, which you can't see now. So I'm going to run it for 10 minutes or so, get it hot, and see what happens. Hopefully it doesn't explode in my face again. I must admit I'm a little bit nervous about it, but let's see. Well, that's it running. It didn't overheat. The head's got to about 70 degrees, maybe a bit more, 75 Celsius. Most of it was sort of 35, 40. Top of the radiator was a bit hotter. Fan came on when it got warm. I think I'm happy with that. Plan B for the instrument cluster. Someone advertised one of these on one of the Facebook groups, so I bought that. It was about 30 quid. I thought that it'd be good to buy something that was made to cover one of these, but unfortunately it's not. It must be off an order, sorry, a later vehicle, because none of this is the same. That's bigger. I was going to cut some holes for more dials, but more gauges, but these not the right size at all. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that. Maybe I'll probably, I mean, I've got it now, so I'll use it and I'll just make the holes bigger, I think. I need to get a hole saw to make another 2 holes in here for gauges. It's never easy, is it? Well, this is not going very well. So I've made the gauge holes bigger, but I've got an area here that's just not covered by anything, and it just doesn't stick. It's stuck a bit. This doesn't, yeah. 30 quid that was. At this point, I think I'll just paint it black. Let's see if this thing will drive without slipping once it gets warm again. Or whether the timing is still out, but certainly it doesn't fire on all 8 cylinders until it's been running for a minute or so. Get in there. That'll do. And I forgot to take the shock away. Oops. Yeah, it's fine. Try and avoid next door's car. I don't have the power steering hooked up, so it's quite heavy. I have bought a rear view mirror for it as well actually, but I've not fitted it yet. This windscreen does need changing, and there's some welding to do I think when the windscreen comes out. You can hear it backfiring. That seems to happen on more than partial throttle. That could be timing as well, or it could be that there's still a problem with the carburetor, so it's going lean. That would be quite annoying. Carburetor number 6. It's losing drive now. I think that's happened quicker than it did last time. Need to try and get it somewhere where I can stop. And it's not going to get up this hill. And that's your lot. Hope these people don't want to use their drives in the near future.